Abdul Rashid Lalage. This music is for Hausa lady. You see her, you give her flower. See, they take your flower. My daddy on a farmer, I am not gonna marry a gardener. Or you can bring me a car. They demanding a lot of money. You wanna marry Hausa girl in a salon. They say bring money for Kunshi, bring money for Kamu, bring money for Lale, 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 Male. Bring money for Kayan, Koma, 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 Koma. Them a say Allah, ah, 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 ah. Them a say Allah, ah, 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 ah.
Kuna soko kashe yara samarine. Baby kudia wananta ndaka bude bakiza kayaure. Sundunga kao makakudade kudade kudade wandaza barkata losi.
Yakamata kugane wana lokate anache masa uju time. Juala kubar samari sui aure. Karkot kudunga kamandina lot of money. Lo kinda babaya aure mama faba awana. Abdul Rashid Lalage.